Sylvanian Family Values, Unboxing Ride-Along Tram Set, with Andrew Bowen. That's me. Hello everyone, and welcome back again to another unboxing, because while I am in the city of Rio de Janeiro, I decided to go back to the Sylvanian shop, and this time I have bought the Ride-Along Tram, or Passeio de Bonde in Portuguese. So let's have a look at what is inside. I'll just open it here. Oh. I think the other side is already open. There we go. Okay, we'll just have a look here. Before I carry on, just have a look at the outside of the box. We've got a nice little image of a sunset with the tram, and also other little pictures here of the people in it. And this is what the ride-along tram contains. You have the main housing of the tram with the seats there and control station here. Okay, so let's open it. Okay. Oh, okay, so here is the tram. Well then, so it's in this plastic wrapping. I'll just remove this and we can have a look at the thing inside. This is all that up. Okay, so here we are. Here is the tram. It has a box in here which probably has all the other bits of furniture for the tram inside. And we have things for the doors here. And I need to work out how these all open. But still, this is the inside of the tram anyway. And I see we've got little places here which must be where we can fit in the benches. Okay. And now the box with the furniture inside. They stick the sellotape down very well on these. Okay, so the first thing we have is a little signpost. I'll show you what that is like a little later. We have a control panel for the tram. Okay, we also have some various bronze pieces. We'll see what they do later on. And we have two benches that will go into the tram. I guess they can go like here and here in the tram. Okay. Stop there, Memo, you can. Okay, and here we have the final setup. Okay, so here we have the tram with all the little stickers on it, and we have the driver here. It's a rabbit, so the hat isn't really designed for him, but he's wearing it over one ear. I'll have to have a different kind of driver to drive this. We also have the milk rabbit family, and because this little lad is sharing a cabin with the driver and they're not a family, he's wearing his face mask because of the COVID-19 that's rampant throughout Sylvania at the moment. Fortunately, though, they haven't had any deaths, so that's all very good. Yeah. And in the other cabin, we have the other little rabbits, a little ticket machine here, and we have on here all the little tickets and week and day passes, as well as a little guide map to tell them about the city and all the things that are on offer there. Okay. Also, we have the tram stop, which is here where they can buy their little tickets. As well, so that's the tram. Also, with the tram, it also comes with a little book as well called Freya's Lost Hat. Okay. This tram also runs on tiny little wheels. If you look underneath, we have these little red rollers. In fact, act as wheels so it can move along. Okay. And there was one more thing I wanted to mention as well. Ah, yes, the doors as well. The doors, these open like so. You can push them in, and then when you want them to close, you just push them there, and then they click into place. Although they may be a little delicate, so maybe I have to be careful of my nephew playing with this. But that is the little Sylvanian tram. Okay, thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And also leave a comment if you wish. Okay, so that's all from me. So goodbye, and hopefully we'll be having animations for you to see in the next month. Okay, bye for now.